Today I'm testing the Fish Audio S2.1 Pro API inside a real project. Instead of just generating a few voice examples, I'm using Claude inside Visual Studio Code to build a small 3D city game where the player can choose a voice, walk around the city and talk to NPCs using live generated fish audio speech. Let's go in. So first you go on fishaudio.ai, here with an overview about the tool. As you can read here, S2.1 Pro for free. As you can see, you can not only generate text to speech, you can also insert emotions for each sentence here, which is amazing. To get started our project we need an API key, so we hit open app. Here we are inside our Fish Audio workspace. You have different features like text to speech, create your custom voices, or also image and video generation. Let's hit developer. On the left you click on API keys and here you can create your API key. We already did that. Copy this key. So now we are inside Visual Studio Code and using Claude Code to generate our 3D game, which uses the Fish Audio S2.1 Pro API. We inserted our API key in the .env file. Now we have the prompt: create a 3D game walking around the city, a custom character generation interface, and the cities should have NPCs to talk to them. Use Fish Audio S2.1 Pro API to generate dialogues. We hit enter. While Claude is generating the project, there are a few Fish Audio features that make this kind of application interesting. Let's switch back to the Fish Audio page. The first one is the low latency, which is especially important for interactive applications because you don't want to wait several seconds or minutes to generate a speech. You also get natural and realistic voices, different voice personalities, multi-language support, and the most amazing part is the emotion feature where you can insert emotions for different sentences, so you can generate dynamically depending on the situation, character or conversation. And the same concept could also be used for AI assistants, interactive stories, customer service agents or voice-enabled applications. As you can read, it supports 83 languages here, including English, Japanese, Chinese, Korean and so much more. If you don't use Claude Code or any other AI assistant, you have simple API documentation here, or you have some examples here for JavaScript. As you can see, it's just a HTTP request, or for Python it's also an example there, easy to use. And here is our game, Eigi City, voice powered by Fish Audio S2.1 Pro. Hit enter and here is our character interface, very nice. We have different types here like masculine, feminine. Okay, this hair is just crazy. Let's use bold, masculine, bold. We have also facial hair. Okay, let's use this one. And we have more options, but here is the voice tab. We have Alex here, let's preview it.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
Okay, let's use James.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
And Marcus.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
That works great. Let's use the woman here. And we have Ava.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
Elena.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
And Zoe.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
This works great. Let's use the masculine one and let's use James. Enter city. Okay, wow, this looks better than I even thought about. Well, we have our character here. Let's see, we have our city here. Okay, nice shops. Very nice. And here we have Olivia. Okay. Let's move on. There is Maya. Let's go to Maya. And let's hit the talk button.
Hi. Sorry, I'm vibrating slightly. I've had 3 coffees. What's up?
Okay, we have a dialogue here with our NPC. We can also see here the emotion. It's extremely energetic. That was realistic. Now we can choose from different prompts here. A friendly, neutral or a rude one. Let's use the rude one.
Another startup. Let me guess, an app.
Yeah, an app. You got me. Have a great day.
Okay, we see the response latency time is just amazing of Fish Audio. It's live generation, live API usage. That's just crazy. Let's use the rude one again.
Sure it is.
Yep. Enjoy the street.
On the bottom you can see the latency, which is crazy fast. Let's enter conversation. Let's use a mail.
Michael.
Yes?
Make it quick. I'm expecting a call.
Okay, Michael. Let's use the friendly one.
Nice suit. You work around here?
You could say that. 22nd floor of the tower right behind you. And thank you, it's bespoke.
Okay, Michael. Thanks. End conversation. Let's try another one. Chris here.
Hey, on my break, so technically I can't sell you anything. Emotionally, I'm still here for you, though.
Okay. As we can see, he's dryly funny, unhurried. Let's use the friendly one.
Someone told me your cortado is unreasonably good.
Unreasonably good, that's Olivia, isn't it? She says that every single day, and she's not wrong.
Well, this works better than I even thought about. That's crazy. So let's get back to the character creator. And we have 3 voices here. Let's insert some more voices. Let's get back to Visual Studio. So let's add 3 more voices for male and female in the character interface. And it's easy as that. If you use Claude Code, you have to do nothing technical here. Just prompt by natural language to produce your game, your application, and use Fish Audio API to enhance it, which is pretty cool. So we have tuned it a bit. Let's see at the voices. We have now multi-language support. We have English voices and German voices. We have also more voices like Theo, Cole. Let's preview it.
Hey, I'm ready. Let's see who we can meet in the city today.
Works great. Let's use the German now. Lucas.
Hey, ich bin bereit. Mal sehen, wen wir heute in der Stadt treffen.
Let's use some more energetic one.
Hey, ich bin bereit. Mal sehen, wen wir heute in der Stadt treffen.
Works great. Let's enter the city again with German. We can see it's now German now. Let's use the rude one.
Sie stehen mir gerade ziemlich im Weg.
Wow, okay. Ich stehe auf einem öffentlichen Gehweg, aber klar, ich gehe Ihnen aus dem Weg.
So this works amazing and great. If you liked Fish Audio, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.